Ok, ya estamos. ¿Qué pasa, amigos? ¿Cómo están? Gusto saludarlos. This one is in English. Um, some folks text me and told me that I should post this. This is the same video that I post on Tuesday. I'm gonna repeat it because some guys text me telling me that I should repeat it in English. I don't like to repeat, but I'm gonna repeat this for you guys. So this is the same video. I'm a little late. I usually post on 5 a.m. in the morning. Today I fell asleep, so I could not wake up 5 o'clock in the morning or before. So this is why I'm a little bit late. And but now we're here. We're here, and we are going to check this video that is called roll and out. What happened here is that I injected my IOL, and this is kind of a soft IOL. It's from Germany. I don't like this very much. The structure of the lens is very, very, very soft, and the haptics are very soft. And the plunger, the injector is a butterfly injector. So sometimes it gets stuck in the plunger. Even if you burp it, because there's a little trick that you burp it, you come back, and then you go again, you go forward again. So it doesn't get stuck in the haptic and the plunger. Even doing that, sometimes it gets stuck. So this is what happened. This is what happened in this case. And when I noticed the IOL was already in the anterior chamber with a totally broken haptic. So that's when I started to record and take it out. So what you're going to see is that I go through the main incision and through the side port. I cross all the way inside the anterior chamber. Just it can be any instrument, spatula, or I don't remember how to say spatula. I hope it is spatula. And you grab it with a forceps, hopefully serrated forceps, hopefully with teeth. But this is a regular McPherson forceps, and you cross the spatula and you roll like this. You roll the IOL, you roll the forceps, so you get like a taco shape. This taco shape is forced by the spatula because you roll it and the spatula is here, and you tend to have, you bend the IOL and you tend to have a taco shape. And doing that movement, you take it out through the incision. Of course, it's supposed to go out through a 2.8 incision. Not really, not really. It's better if when you go in with your 2.8 keraton, you go out and you slightly widen the incision to 3.0, 3.0 or 3.2 maybe, something like that, because it's better. Can it come out through 2.8? Yes. Yes, it can, but you will stretch the incision, especially if you have a hard IOL, a hard structure hydrophobic IOL, like Johnson, for example. It's a nice lens, nice platform, but it's hard. It's normal in hydrophobic IOL. So it's better to widen the incision. A really good friend just texted me and told me, in the other video, told me, if you have a high power IOL, if you remember, high power IOLs are a little bit thicker, can you still do it? It's not that much about the power, it's more about the rigidity of the lens. If it's very rigid, like, for example, Johnson or Bausch & Lomb, this is not a bad thing. This is not a bad thing. It's just the way it is. It's a little bit harder. It's really a little bit harder. But of course, if you have a rigid IOL and a high power, you might want to widen the incision a little bit more. It's better. So this is my friend who texted me with this question. Is my friend Neil Ramirez. Greetings to my friend Neil Ramirez, and of course, greetings to my brother Germán Bianchi in Argentina. He's from Argentina. It's Bianchi in Argentina. Germán Bianchi. I learned this technique from Germán, and you wouldn't believe where I learned this. I learned it on Instagram. You can learn a lot of things in social media. Social media can be a bad thing or can be a good thing. Follow the right people. Follow me. Follow Germán. Follow all the Ophthalmo Córdoba friends. Hello to my brothers of Ophthalmo Córdoba. And you will learn a lot of stuff. Good media, good social media is good, has a good learning, you know. This is where I learned this technique from my friend Germán Bianchi, who posted a video of rolling out on Instagram. So let's not wander around more. Alio, vamos a presentar. Let's share. Okay, here we are. Let me put this here. Okay, here's the video. So it's called rolling out. You can see right here, you see the broken haptic. You see I am introducing my regular McPherson forceps through the main incision. Is already slightly widened. It's 2.8 with little widen when you come out, so you get a nice 3.0. And here, check, you go all the way in, grab the most part of the optic, okay, and then you gotta grab it firmly. Don't forget, you have to be firm, not hard, just firm, okay? And then through the side port, look at the side port, you introduce this spatula, and it's to make counter pressure. You will see, and you roll your forceps, trying to bend the IOL and trying to get a taco shape. And as you do this, you come out. You see here, this is a perfect frame. You have the IOL bent in a taco shape, and I am coming out. Of course, it's very easy because this is a soft IOL. I cannot fool you. With another more rigid IOL, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but you can do it. We have done it. Germán have done it. A lot of people have done it, and it's possible. You see? Here, I'm going to repeat. Not going to stop. Wait, as you know, all my videos, unedited, all of them, and natural speed. No, I don't go, it's just regular speed, normal speed. I don't edit the videos, okay, as you know. So if you like this so far, right here, down here, click the button. If you like it, it's free. Come on, you have to press it. Don't make me mad. Press it, and then subscribe right here, okay? Don't forget. Okay, you go in, grab it firmly, go to the side port, go across the anterior chamber, roll and out. Remember, roll and out. And that's it. Okay, after this, there's really no more interesting things. You go get from your IOL bank. I hope you have an IOL bank to replace this kind of when this kind of problems happen. You put on some more visco and just change the IOL. And here I am injecting a Reiner, a Ray 1 in the back, no problem. This is a very nice. I have no commercial interest in Reiner, but this is a very nice lens, very nice. Preloaded, goes through very small incisions, very nice. You know, all the IOLs are good, and this is very good too. And that's it. And then you go in, you take out your OVD, and surgery is done. No more mystery. So I'm gonna stop sharing. I really hope you liked it. Really hope you liked it. And don't forget, if you like this, and even if you don't, you have to tell me, what would you do different? If this happens to you, will you do the same? Or will you go and cut the IOL inside the anterior chamber and take it out? I want to know if you would done different and why. So tell me here, text me here in the comments if you would do it different. Maybe we agree, maybe we don't agree, but this is a nice discussion. So I hope to read you guys. Like button, subscribe, and see you soon. Cerramos, chiringuito. Ciao.